What in the world is going on?
Oh. A little reconstruction.
Reconstructive surgery?
Yeah. It's orthoscopic.
Orthoscopic,
So
okay.
We didn't have to cut nothing.
Well, you had to take the what do they call it, the bonnet? You had to take the bonnet off?
Yeah.
Well, okay.
I'll do that.
Yeah. So winter upgrades are in full swing. As you can see, we got the header on this side. We're gonna make this turbo system nice
It's gonna be nice.
for the first time ever.
Yeah.
It's always been thrown together and janky, and it's going pretty fast that way though.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll go real fast now.
Yeah. We went fast.
We've been using these, I wouldn't even call them Amazon specials. I think they were eBay specials. When we got them, they were like that chrome plated look, you know, the really cheap stuff.
Yeah, this ain't.
Yeah.
It's so small.
Yeah.
And the runners aren't like that long.
Yeah. This is just, we think that's why this thing has sounded like a tractor for a long time.
I mean, we're not saying it sounds like a tractor.
It did.
It sounded like a tractor.
Yeah. It's the fastest tractor though.
It kind of went going down the track.
Yeah.
Just have a nice crisp sound.
Yeah, it just sounded like it was really laboring all the time. So if it wasn't the manifolds that was making it labor, then it was probably the intercooler, and we're getting rid of both. So what? Oh man.
It's all right.
Okay. But we are going to make the exhaust nicer when we get the turbos placed, and we had to do some massaging.
Not just nicer. We're gonna make the exhaust nice.
Nice.
I'm even gonna back purge.
Oh.
You ever even heard of that?
Oh, I've heard of it. I've never done it though.
We've always just let the dingleberries fly where they fly in there.
on the inside of the pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're getting serious about it.
Yeah, this is gonna be nice. But a 1969 Camaro from the factory had no room back there in that area for the exhaust to exit out of a hole. So we had to do some massaging back there. That's why we took the front end off.
Yeah.
We done some more massaging over there. We think we're gonna be able to get it looking good this
I
time.
tell you, I'm done with the aluminum exhaust massaging my fenders.
Oh yeah. This is what happens when you have a 60-year-old car and you have a two-step that's like a machine gun, and it just sits there and pow, 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 and it rips your fender.
The aluminum exhaust just went where it wanted to go.
Yeah. Here's
Down.
looks like this aluminum exhaust has been through World War I and II. We've had to patch it about 3,000 times because it's bent and warped, and we're always in a hurry, so we couldn't redo it and make it nice. We even put a gusset in it one time.
Oh, one time we blowed the side out of it.
Yeah,
where that patch is.
Oh yeah.
That
See the
where was
patch?
that at? Was it Florida? I think it was Florida.
Ah, man, I don't remember.
The wastegate pipe, it disintegrated.
Yeah, it did.
And then when it disintegrated, it just started eating
The aluminum. It ate the aluminum.
It ate like a huge hole in the side of that exhaust. So
Yeah.
it
was like a blowtorch or something. It kind of just melted the stuff and blew it away.
Yeah.
We no longer had pieces of aluminum pipe. So anyways, I think now that we're going to have some nice stainless headers, I think we're going to do stainless exhaust. It's going to be heavy, but this car's heavy already.
All steel, all glass.
All steel, all glass. Oh, we got to check. Oh, yeah. Yep. It's
We
all.
lost a trim piece in Maryland.
Oh, yeah, we did. And, yep, that might be a little Bondo, but it's a lot of steel in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Bondo counts as steel.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to get this manifold off and get the other header on and do a little bit more mock-up, and then we're going to put the fenders back on and see what we can get accomplished. All right, so we are making a little bit of progress, and we've got a few parts that have come in since the last time. We got this pretty pink string pulled, and we're dealing with somebody that's really OCD, and it's not you, it's me.
Oh.
Yeah, you're not the problem, it's me. But as you can tell by this string, it's lined up perfect with this header, but you go over to that side and that one's sticking out a long way. And we're gonna mount our turbos right on the end of these headers with these sweet
Elbows.
yeah, elbows, these cast elbows. And I think those are gonna be awesome. But we had to cut this flange off because the flange for this elbow didn't match up with this flange that was on the header. So this is the new flange that matches up perfectly with that. Now we got to cut off that side and weld a new flange on. But I didn't want to do it just sticking way out like that, because then the turbos would be all wonky.
Did you get mirror image turbos?
Mirror image, yeah, no.
I thought you were OCD.
We're just gonna use these hand-me-downs.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't get nice stuff. It's just an old junker 69 Camaro.
Maybe next time when we rebuild the turbo kit next year.
Gosh, we've rebuilt this turbo kit like 400 times. Well, I think it's gonna be done the right way this time.
Yes.
All right, so let's cut that other one off and see if we can get this pink string line to line up a little better. Sir?
I don't have a clue. Don't even interview me right now. I don't know.
Can you explain to the people what in the world you are doing?
No, I can't. This is probably all wrong. You ever seen Joe Dirt?
I've seen it, yeah.
Yeah. I'm new. I don't know what to do.
Well,
when he's working on the oil field.
when he's getting sprayed with oil.
Coming out everywhere. He's like, I'm new.
Yeah, I understand. So what is it that you're trying to accomplish?
We're trying to make a seal here
Okay.
to have some backflow? What?
Back purge.
Back purge.
You're trying to back purge.
Trying to back purge.
Yeah, so we bought some.
Never have back purge.
We've never back purged anything because we're just a bunch of rednecks that don't know what we're doing.
Still are.
We still are, yeah. But we saw somebody on the internet grab some aluminum foil and a hose, and we thought, yeah, we can do that.
Because you can buy the plugs that plug everything.
Yeah.
And it's like, you get you about $200 worth of plugs.
That'll fit one size pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I figured, us being our first time back purging.
Man, you did a really nice job.
Thank you.
That fits that exactly.
Yep. We'll just have to use some more of the wife's aluminum foil on the other one, because I think
she's gonna be mad.
Yeah, she's gonna be mad.
That aluminum foil is expensive.
Yeah, tin foil.
Yeah. I bet Flowtech probably didn't even back purge these when they made them, but we're gonna. Yeah.
I mean,
we're gonna.
Just because they didn't do it right don't mean we ain't gonna do it right.
Yeah.
We do everything right around here.
Well.
Everything.
That might be a stretch.
I'm gonna start taking my back purge kit to the races, so when Jonathan's exhaust breaks off, I can back purge his while I'm welding it.
Oh, well, that'd be good.
I want to start doing everything right.
You said we already do everything right.
New year, new me.
Okay, so we got these new flanges on here. He's tacked them in place, but we're gonna go ahead
I
and
gotta stick it through there.
poke a hose in there, and we're gonna weld this stuff up. All right, so how'd the first time
No.
back purging go?
No,
No?
it didn't go good.
Well, it looks
It's
like
just me though.
so the back purging assembly actually worked pretty good.
Yeah, it's just me. I did not do a good job, but I'm telling you right now, this one will be good.
You're a new man.
Yes, and this one will go much better. I promise.
Okay. And we figured out that we don't actually have to clamp it to the table. We just have to clamp it to a flat piece of steel.
Yeah, I was laying on my butt down there, upside down, trying to TIG weld that other one, and push the pedal. It's just, I shouldn't have been doing that.
Yeah, so now we can just rotate the header on this big, what is this, a U channel or H, half a H beam or
Yeah, that's it.
C channel.
C channel.
Yeah, whatever you call that stuff. So now we can just rotate the header around and he can weld it however he wants to.
Which will be flat.
Which will be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, good luck. So fast forward just a few minutes. We did all this in just a few minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're fast.
I set the phone down and forgot to record all this stuff. My bad. But we got the headers welded up. We got a few other things welded up. This thing is starting to come together.
I'm gonna be very happy with this setup.
It's looking pretty slick. So
Turbos are mounted.
yeah, we got the turbos permanently mounted. Got the Maven mounts on there and it's permanently attached to the frame. So those are solid now. We got these 90s, those cast 90s on the end of the headers, which are sweet because the turbos are in the exact same spot. That's awesome. And we cut this stainless, so we're making the new exhaust, and we're being OCD again, and the weld joints are gonna be at the exact same side or spot on both sides.
We didn't have that before.
Nobody else would know that but us, but
Yeah.
anyways, we got this downpipe pretty much done, which is we're really excited about. That one we got to start doing the corners and head out down there. But there are like no 90-degree bends in this exhaust. And this is what we were working with before.
This is like more than a 90, and then this is a 90 again down
Gee
here.
whiz, that looks like a 90 that got hit by a tornado or something.
Yeah, this is not our best work here.
Well, it was, but aluminum just,
Started eating itself.
it eats itself and it moves like crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We're
so
hoping for much better results on the stainless.
it's going to be a lot heavier, but
If it starts walking around, if the stainless starts walking around, I'll cry.
you're going to cry?
Yes.
Okay, all right, well, let's just hope it don't walk
I think
around.
we're gonna put a brace on it.
Yeah, we're probably going to put a little stiff leg on it or something. But we got to get started working on this side. We got a few pieces cut down there to try out. But we got all this side tacked together and heading out the fender. So we got to get this one off and get it welded up and get the passenger side one made.
You got that on video, dude? What?
Do we need to put a disclaimer, like, don't do this at home?
What part?
Weld without a helmet on?
Oh, yeah. Well, you can look at it for a minute.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it that you're doing?
We just mounted it. We tacked it.
The new intercooler.
Yeah.
That thing's massive. Look at that thing.
Yeah, she's big.
Yeah, good grief.
I think it won't take us just a second just to boop.
That's going to be probably the most difficult intake pipe we've ever made. I think we're going to do something along the lines of just a straight pipe. What do you think about that?
Well, I mean, I don't know. We could come out of the hood and then back down a little bit, give it some character.
Oh, we could do that.
Just kind of put a S in it right there a little bit.
Or we could just put a straight pipe in there.
Let's put a straight pipe.
Okay,
We're
let's.
in a hurry.
Yeah, let's do
Again.
that. Yeah, again, we're always in a hurry, but we did take our time on the hot side.
Yeah. But now we might hurry on the cold side.
The exhaust is stinking sweet. It's the nicest it's ever been on this car.
Yes.
And it looks just stinking awesome coming out down there. And the other side matches, which is, that was a miracle.
Yeah, I don't know how that worked.
Yeah, I don't either. But we're about to wrap up this turbo setup. We're keeping the same turbos, like I said. These old trusties have been beat on for like 4 years on both cars. And
Your
they're,
car went faster, so my car should go fast now.
yeah, I think my car went 190 something.
Mine will do that now.
Yeah. Yours will go probably 200 now.
200 or bust.
Okay.
Speaking of bust.
Oh no. What happened? Oh, that's cool. You can see the turbo through it. Let's just leave it like that. That's fine.
No,
That's fine.
that's ghetto.
Well, okay. So you're gonna put a new grill in it?
Yeah.
That happened from that massive wheelie at World Cup last year.
Yeah.
And then he never fixed it.
And it wasn't properly installed either.
No.
So maybe we might properly install the new one.
Okay.
And then when I do a big wheelie next time, we won't bust it too.
It won't do
it's
that.
It's kind of an expensive wheelie to bust a
Yeah,
wheelie.
all year long we had it held on with this, duct tape. That worked really good.
It did.
Yeah. Okay, let's get this turbo setup done.
Okay.